In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for beginners. We're going to walk through one of the very first things you'll do when you start using Wrike, creating a new project inside a space. This is a basic but essential skill, and once you understand it, organizing your work in Wrike will feel much more natural. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and you're in the main workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different sections, including something called spaces. Spaces are like big containers where related projects and folders live. Choose the space where you want your new project to go. If you're not sure which space to use, pick the one that best matches the team or area of work you're organizing. Inside that space, look for the section labeled Projects and Folders. Right beside that label, you'll find a small plus icon. This plus sign is what you use whenever you want to add something new. Go ahead and click on that plus icon next to Project and Folder. This tells Wrike you want to create a new item in that space, and it will open a small window or panel for you to set it up. Now you'll see a field where you can type in the project name. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name here. Instead of something vague like work or stuff, use a title that tells you exactly what the project is about, such as Q2 marketing campaign or client website redesign. A good name makes it easier for you and your team to find and understand the project later, especially when you have many projects in the same space. Click into the project name field and carefully type in the name you've chosen. Double check your spelling to keep everything consistent and professional. While this step may seem small, getting into the habit of naming your projects properly will really help keep Wrike organized over time. Once you're happy with the project name, look for the button labeled Create. This is the final confirmation that tells Wrike to add your new project. Go ahead and click Create. Wrike will generate the project inside the space you selected, and you'll see it appear in your list of projects and folders. At this point, your project is officially created and ready for you to start adding tasks, details, and any other information your team needs. That's all you need to do to create a basic project in Wrike as a beginner.